In this video, you will learn how to format a USB drive in Windows 11. Formatting a USB drive can help you remove all data from the drive or prepare it for a different file system. Before you begin, make sure to back up any important data on the USB drive. Formatting will permanently erase all files, and data recovery may not be possible afterward. If you have any files you need to keep, transfer them to another storage device or your computer. Connect your USB drive to your computer. Make sure the system detects the drive. You should hear a notification sound or see a pop-up window indicating that the device is connected. Open File Explorer by clicking on the folder icon in the taskbar or by pressing the Windows key and E on your keyboard. In File Explorer, navigate to this PC on the left sidebar. Under Devices and Drives, locate your USB drive. The USB drive may appear with a default name or a custom label if it was previously formatted. Right-click on the USB drive and select Format from the context menu. A new window with formatting options will appear. Under File System, choose the format type. For most USB drives, select FAT32 if you want compatibility with most devices, including Windows, Mac, and Linux systems, as well as gaming consoles and media players. Choose NTFS if you plan to use the drive primarily on Windows systems and need to store files larger than 4 GB. If you're formatting the drive for macOS compatibility, you may need to use exFAT instead. In the volume label field, you can enter a custom name for your USB drive if you want. Naming your drive can help you easily identify it, especially if you use multiple USB drives. Below that, you will see the Quick Format option. Keep this option checked if you want a faster format. If you want a more thorough format to remove all traces of data, uncheck this option, but keep in mind that this will take more time. Once you have selected your preferred settings, click Start. A warning message will appear, letting you know that all data on the drive will be erased. Confirm by clicking OK. Make sure you are certain about proceeding, as this action cannot be undone. The formatting process will begin. Wait until the process is complete. Depending on the size of the USB drive and the selected format options, this may take a few seconds or several minutes. Once finished, you will see a message indicating the format is done. Click OK to close the window. Your USB drive is now formatted and ready to use. You can now transfer files, create backups, or use the drive with other devices. Thank you for watching.